Greetings from Erstavik, but in Tyresö, and it's time for another beach adventure. It is late in the day, but the sun is still up, and I have chosen this spot here as it is a bit secluded and not so many people are here usually, even on a quite warm evening like this, being 21 degrees Celsius in the air currently. And I'm ready for a swim in the sea. Yes, this is the sea. You may think that this is a lake, but no. On the other end, we have Erstavik, one of my favorite spots. But today I came on this end as it was more convenient for me. And let's then enjoy a nice swim in the sea at this, I can say, spontaneous nude beach spot in the nature, as it is a bit further from the houses and apartments here in Tyresö. I'm very curious what is the temperature in the sea, and we're gonna find out shortly before I head for a swim for today. Today is beach day number 98 on my Sweden Beach Adventures on this 21st of July, that is. As I'm measuring, I will show you more of the setting here and the beautiful sea. So to get to Tyresö, you can take many of the buses that start from. Let's see, 18 degrees Celsius in the air. Yes, 18 degrees Celsius in the sea, and now let's hit the waters here in the beautiful nature that is. Look at how beautiful it is. Super nice indeed. I'm already in the water and ready, set and go. I love the sea. So amazing. So amazing indeed. Beautiful indeed. Yeah, the clouds are also in the way, but I'm gonna be enjoying now for half an hour swim in the sea here in Erstavik in Tyresö. So that is a wrap for now from this nude spot in the nature in Tyresö. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.